We arrived in the town of Žabljak in Montenegro. It's the start of April, but it's still super snowy, as you can see. We're going to go and do a hike to Black Lake, which is quite near the town of Žabljak. Sun's come out, so it should be nice. The town with the highest altitude in the Balkans, Žabljak is the centre of mountain tourism in Montenegro. We've got quite a team of dogs following us now. Black Lake is one of the biggest draws for visitors to Durmitor National Park. Only a 3-kilometre walk from Žabljak, we soon made it there with our furry friends. We've made it to Black Lake by Žabljak. It turns out it's completely frozen. Looks beautiful though. Even in the cloudy weather, the towering Medved Peak was visible above the lake. Silence, save for the murmur of the stream. Only the beauty of Black Lake to take in. The next day, we headed out early for something a bit less relaxing. We're just heading to do some river rafting on the Tower River in Montenegro. Ready for it, guys?
Hell yeah!
The Tower River Canyon is the second longest canyon in the world after the Grand Canyon, with river rafting being one of the most popular activities. With lots of snow still melting on top of the mountains, the river levels were much higher than usual, which would give us a wild ride. We started the rafting already soaked. Couldn't ask for better surroundings. As we crashed over another set of rapids, the Tower Bridge came into view. Towering more than 500 feet over the river, the concrete arch bridge is an amazing sight. In the end though, nothing could beat the natural beauty that surrounded us. Awesome river rafting, absolutely knackered. How was it, Brad?
Good. Yeah, very nice. Not quite as wild as I like it, but other than that, yeah, great.
Just on the bridge over the Tower River, just finished the rafting, just taking in some of these awesome views. After the rafting, we took a drive to see some of the local hiking spots. As we ascended, snow walls began to line the roads.
And main road signs at least, so we're not totally in the middle of nowhere. Those are some snow walls.
This is a cleared area.
Snow drifts are still pretty epic up here, but we're going to try and go for a hike. Yeah. Is it all snow? Like,
It's just a metre from me. 2 metres, then there's more snow.
I'll come and have a look. It might not look like much, but the several inches of snow on the trail was too much for Brad and I with our trainers, so we decided to head back. The next leg of our road trip would be a steep descent down mountainous chicanes. Eventually we arrived at the Adriatic Sea and the coastal town of Kotor. Sheltered in the fjord-like Bay of Kotor, this historic town has been settled since at least the ancient Roman period. Like much of the Dalmatian coast, the town has come under the rule of several empires, including the Venetian Empire. Much of the medieval old town was built during the Venetian period. It's none of the city of cats here in Kotor. They're not scared of you at all, they come up to you, it's really nice. So many cats everywhere. Can I film you guys with the cats?
Yeah, you can.
I'm just showing how there's cats absolutely everywhere.
Yes, it's crazy.
Yeah, it's awesome, isn't it?
They're so friendly too.
Even the hostel I'm staying, a cat just came and sat on me straight away.
Yeah.
Cats have become a symbol of Kotor and are thought to bring good luck. Many of the cats were historically brought to the town by sailors and were useful in taking care of the ubiquity of rats and snakes in the area. Although most are stray, locals leave water and food for their feline friends, ensuring they stick around. This is St. Tryphon's Cathedral. It was built in 1166 in the Romanesque style. Sun was forecast for the next day, so we cast our eye to the fortress which snakes up the hill above the town, ready for a steep hike. We strolled around the old town for a couple of hours, psyching ourselves up for the climb to the fortress. The sun was already baking us by the time we approached the trail. With an elevation of nearly 800 feet over a mile, the trek to the fortress is a reasonable slog, although the views over the bay make it more than worth it. Today I'm taking a walk up Kotor Fortress. It's a fortress from the Venetian era, also known as St. John's Fortress. The pathway, called the Ladder of Kotor, consists of 1,350 steps and winds up the hill via several switchbacks. Closer to the summit, the path becomes more intricate, proceeding up zigzagging staircases and holes in the dilapidated walls. You can see the flag must be close to the top now. With our sights on the fortress, we readied ourselves for the views that awaited at the summit. Here we are at the top of Kotor Fortress. It's absolutely packed with people. Good views though. There's a little cat there asleep. Unfortunately, this will be the end of my road trip in the Balkans. I trudged down the path with an airport taxi awaiting at the city gates. There is so much more I want to experience of the history, culture and natural beauty of Montenegro, and indeed the other Balkan countries I visited. and I hope we'll be back in the near future. As always, thanks for watching.